everybody. We've got a lot of things going on this year to build off of the great year that we had last school year. First of all, our theme this year is where tradition meets innovation. So you're going to see a lot of things that relate to the tradition of Concord and Concord Middle throughout the school year. One of those things being students are going to have agendas this year, written paper pencil agendas that they'll be bringing home every night to increase communication and increase student responsibility for their learning. But we'll also see a lot of innovation, like our Academy. We're officially kicking off the Academy of Global Innovation. We're looking forward to all of our sixth graders really jumping in and getting into our collaborative innovation projects and all of the great things that they're going to learn this year at the school. Also this year we have some new encore options for our students. Again, we want to make sure that this school is a place where kids have lots of options and lots of opportunities. So we're going to be adding theater. We got an amazing theater teacher. We're adding Spanish that even students in 8th grade are taking for high school credit. We have our innovation lab, as well as our PE, visual arts, and band, and computer science, and family consumer science. So lots of options for our kids to have here, because in middle school it's important for students to explore different types of things, to figure out what they like, what they're good at, and what they want to do more. Also, our students are going to have more advanced opportunities here. We're very excited that our 8th graders have the potential to earn up to 4 high school credits while they're here in middle school, which will then set them up for success when they get to high school. They can either graduate early, take more advanced classes, or take more encore options when they get to high school. All of those things are great for kids. So we're excited that all of our 8th graders will be enrolled in a civics class, get their first social studies credit there. They have an opportunity to take Math 1, Computer Science, or Spanish 1 for high school credit. So we're really, really excited for that to happen. And also, we're going to continue the great work that we started last year and go very low tech. For those of you that know me, know I'm not super great at technology myself, but also we need kids to be actively engaged, paper, pencil, with people, doing things like that. So as parents, you will not see Chromebooks coming home every night. We're not signing them out to students. Students will use them here when there's a purpose, right, for our benchmark testing and EOGs and very specific assignments that teachers need them to do. But you should not see kids on the computers all the time, because kids learn best, people learn best from other people, and then using their hands for pencils, not for typing. We're going to build on all of the success we had from last year. We're looking forward to seeing everybody this year. Open house is Thursday night. Come out from 4:30 to 6:30. Get your schedules, meet your teachers, and let's get this school year started right. Looking forward to a great year. Go Miners!